Hi guys, I'm gonna do a game and it's Sky High. So let's play. I don't get why they have a panda. I really don't get it. So um I see. So they say that you have to get lesser gems to get rare items. I tried that before. Trust me, I tried it. Well, actually I'm gonna try it now. So I'm not really gonna get any more gems for now. And you can hear TV in the background because I was watching TV and I don't want to turn it off. If you ever been to the top, let me know. And also, I want to ask you guys something. Can you start mail time for me? Because it would make me so happy. I don't care if you give me store-bought items like um, head flowers or stuff like that. I don't care. It would just make me so happy. So, anyways, um, so, anyways, um, if you know, there's this girl, yeah, there's this YouTuber, and named Anakiza, and she is one of my friends on Animal Jam, and check out her videos. I'm actually in one of them. The video I am in, it's called Animal Jam Baron Spirit. That's where I was an Arctic Wolf, and there, dang it, and yeah. So I like the clouds. These clouds are so puffy, and I think they make you jump higher. I'm not sure. And also please put down in the comments if you want me to do more games, and if you want me to, and what kind of game, and what game I should do. Such as, like, I don't know, Jam My Derby, and how many rounds of it I should do. And yeah. I hate when like a friend comes and then it like lets you know about it, and then it just starts, like, it glitches a bit. And also, I am planning to do a giveaway soon, and if you guys, can you guys send me items for mail time and the giveaway? It would be really nice because I barely have anything for the giveaway. So yeah, if you could do that, I would be really glad. And I'm gonna tell you the rules for the giveaway, and also I will tell the rules in the giveaway announcement, blah blah blah, yeah. Um, so yeah. Um, I'm, put down, if you are subscribed to me, then then I will, then you have a better chance of winning. And please tell me if you're a member or a non-member. Tell me if you're a member or not non-member. Um, tell me what item you want, and tell me why you think that you should get the item. And yeah. Can you guys ask? I want to ask you guys something. What? Why do you guys do mealtime anyways? If you're just giving away your items, why do you give away rare items for them? Just asking. Because let me know why you guys give away, send your items to famous YouTubers like that. Is it because you want to get captured your you want to get captured on screen, or hopefully you'll get items back? Is that because of that? I don't know. If you do, just tell me, because just tell me in the comments, because I never got why they did that. And anyways, I'm playing this on the day they sent out the Phoenix armor. I have no idea why. I have an idea why they are. It is a Phoenix because of it's either because of Myra or they just like the Phoenix. You can buy it in a diamond shop. If you get the whole set, it's probably gonna cost a lot because there are some that are 1, some are 2 diamonds. To me, I think that's a lot because I only have 1 diamond and I've been a member for, I don't know, 3 weeks already. Yeah. Oh, and also here's another random question of the day. What's your favorite cartoon? Tell me what's your favorite cartoon, and I just want to know because I'm watching a cartoon. That was so close. That was so close. If you can see, and I'm gonna tell you how many gems I have so far because I'm really bored, and you can't see it that well. I have 53 gems. And if you all know, if you ever made it to the top, then you should know that the chest gives you 100 gems. So yeah. And also, can you guys tell me what's your favorite animal that when you play this game? When you play, not like the Animal Jam, like when you play the Sky High. I usually no. No. Oh, thank you. I can't believe I lost it. I can't believe. I hate those stuff when like I didn't like. What was I talking about? Oh, I don't like when that happens, when there's like a phantom blocking your way like that. It's pretty. Don't you hate loopholes sometimes? Sorry if I'm asking too many questions. I have nothing to talk about. Oh, actually, you can just one random question I am asking. Put it down in the comments and answer it. Dang it. Here's another question. Um, when I have a lot of questions, I ask you to choose one question, and now I run out of questions. I hate when that happens. Oh, what was your, did you ever have, like, a boyfriend or a girlfriend on Animal Jam? Wait, scratch that. What was your most embarrassing moment? What was your most embarrassing moment on Animal Jam? Was it that you lost your boyfriend? Did you break up with your boyfriend or girlfriend? Lost your rare item or something that it was beta but it's back? Like, you know how the Lays were beta? Like, you traded your whole set box hat, like, you traded a bunch of rares just for a beta that came back. So yeah. No! That's it. I'm just gonna walk around town. And yeah. So, here are the games you can ask me to play. Um, ask me to play any of them. You, except for except for this one in Phantom Invasion or the Claw, because all they do is plushies or stuff like that, and you can, it's hard to explain. Hold on, I can't say. I can't see it. Okay, so 6. So let's see what they're saying nowadays. Really? That's a bad combination. Oh, what is your favorite thing in here to do? What is your favorite thing to do? Is it to, sorry. Sorry, I don't have a rare boy. Even if I did, I wouldn't. The heck? What the heck? I have to go through this because I am in the clan. If you guys just come to me and ask me, can I be in your clan, it would be alright. Because we actually need members. Can't say. My friend who is the leader, she is offline. She's usually offline. I can't click. No, I do not want to see Kinter. So anyways, guys, like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. And see ya! Well, I have 5 more seconds, so see ya later!